This is the Flight Data Collector Group, and this is our Week 32 update. Over the past few weeks, we got done with our Block 2 checkoff, which is a major step towards our final project, and we did our first round of system verification. That means we were able to check off 2 system requirements. We checked off that we had the Boson 320 camera fully working, and it worked in conjunction with the storage module. And the storage module was able to put files onto the solid-state drive and name them according to the camera number and give them picture numbers as well. Moving forward, we have quite a bit left to do in these last few weeks. We plan on attaching all of our code together in one place, working to modify it more and allow timestamp functionality, implement a user interface using a wave share display and buttons. We have all of these pieces separated right now, but we're planning on getting them together. We also need to make a power over Ethernet power supply, which we have the parts for and we will work on as a group. Once we have all the parts together, we'll be able to move forward with everything else. We'll be able to make our final presentation and hopefully provide a good project for Collins Aerospace.
Hey, so this is Henry. So for the previous week, I ordered the PCB and it's arrived, and I solder it and it's connect with the connectors right now, and the connectors connecting with the buttons. I don't know if you can see clear or not with this camera. I can take a picture for slideshow later. So this one is the power in, this one is the ground. And then the ground is connected to the other side of the resistors. And this for the buttons. One side is connected to the power supply. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then I test it and it works. And then for connecting the GPIO, this one is the button 1. As you can, there's an arrow over here. It says button 1 start from here, and then button 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's my PCB, and it works. And then the next thing I'm about to do is have a meeting with Don tomorrow. I'm gonna talk with him about the power supply. I'm planning to use the U-shape for connect to the ground and the power out from the power supply, and then the U-shape focus using and connect to the terminal connectors. And then I'm going to use a DC barrel jack male plug to connect to the junction. And then the other side is connecting to the other side of the terminal connectors. And I'm planning to buy some special gauge for wires to connect the power from the airplane to give the multi-source and the power for the power supply. And I will see how it goes for the meeting tomorrow, and then I'm gonna buy it as soon as possible because the checkoff is coming soon. And also I'm gonna talk about the size of the different plug, like the DC barrel jack plug line is like 5.5 mm to 3.5 mm. And I'm gonna find the right size and buy it as soon as possible. And then I'm planning to finish some document for the project document, and then for the presentation video too. So this one is the PCB and connected to Jackson. This one is the code. And then this one is button 1. Button 1 is crash.
All right, welcome back to a new term. So currently we have a full system, partial system operation. So that means all of our cameras are working, and all of our other individual blocks, such as the I/O blocks as well as the power supplies, are working. And our next steps will be combining them. For me, my part will be on the user interface, which will be the I/O blocks operation. So that includes the wave share display as well as the full system operation. That would be the primary executable script and the autonomous operation, which means the Jackson will be able to perform its operation without human interactions as soon as power is supplied. So that's the main thing we're going to do next week. And currently, I'm trying to connect the Jackson with Wi-Fi, and we're still working on that. It was a success before, but we encounter some problems on the way, so we are trying to fix it, and it should be operational shortly as well. Here is the timetable for our team this week.